First runners for the Hasbara Marathon are just arriving. They're in the opposite direction. The first runners
We have a special case here at the half marathon at the great race in Elkhart, Indiana. A winning husband and wife team. We have over on my right Melissa Gillette and in the middle Justin Gillette. Justin, tell us a little bit about your race today. You said this was kind of a jog for you.
Well, my legs are still a little bit tired from the last marathon we did. Plus, we're doing a marathon this coming weekend, so I didn't really want to go too hard. I got out and ran the first mile, had a lead, just kind of cruised from there, I guess.
Yeah, you were definitely by yourself for a good part of it, weren't you?
Yeah, I'd never seen anybody, but they rollerbladers. There was two young kids who were rollerblading, and they would go alongside of me, then go ahead of me, then stop, and then go alongside me and pass me. They were annoying, but it was kind of fun to have someone to mess with.
Well, you actually crossed the finish line at the same time.
Yeah, I think they really wanted to beat me. I don't know who won, but it was still fun.
And Melissa, you were pretty much all by yourself too. Tell us what your race plan was today.
I kind of wanted to use it like Justin as a training run. My goal was a 1:28, which was my goal marathon pace for my next races. So it felt a little harder than I was hoping for to tack on another half marathon, but it was a nice run.
Well, now you do what? 4 or 5 marathons a year? Is that about right, or more than that?
I think we usually do closer to 10. Melissa does probably around 8 because she's a lightweight, but then I usually do around 10. But I don't know, it's kind of fun. We're sponsored by MarathonGuide.com, and they like us to run them, and we like to run them, so it's a good deal for both of us.